All right, so got the Himalayan apart in my pajamas. Don't mind the metal shavings. Gonna get into a couple oil changes. Don't worry about it. Metal is normal. It's an engine. It's made of metal. Anyways, it's a joke, you know, and everyone gets that. So the issue that killed this engine, and you can see I had to take the exhaust off with the cylinder head because I couldn't get the inside nut off. It's completely rounded and rusted on. I don't know why they use steel flange nuts on a header stud. I don't know why, but you know, at the end of the day, let me look at the welds on this thing. Indian engineering, Indian manufacturer. I mean, what can you ask for? It works. So couldn't get that off, so screw it, took the whole head off. I don't know where it is. It used to be on the stand. I think it fell off, but the exhaust valve got bent pretty bad. I think carbon buildup did it, or it was the aftermarket cam that the previous owner put in here. I think timing must have been off 1 or 2 teeth, and it piston slapped the valves. So yeah, I don't know if I don't think it's an interference engine with the stock cam. However, I think the stage 2 cams, because the lobes are bigger, they stick out more, and it pushes the valve lower than a stock. I think it turns it into an interference engine when you do that. So be very careful, apparently, when you do the stage 2 cams. So yeah, keep that in mind. But ordering a new jug, a new head. The cam's fine. The original cam's in the box. That's fine. The aftermarket cam's fine too, but I'm just going to keep it stock. So, you know, I don't got the money for big bore kit. It'll just stay a slow wannabe motorcycle. But yeah, engine's apart and did not need to take the coil out of the way. Didn't need to do all that. You can do it without removing that. Maybe I'll make a put back together video, but yeah, if you have to take the exhaust off with the head, the 2 guides right here, you can't get them out. I tried for maybe like 30 minutes to get them out, to get the clearance of moving, because these sticked up to like here, which means I couldn't get the head and exhaust out that way. So just hacksawed them through. So yeah, a little metal got in there, but whatever. Whatever. And yeah, so I'm gonna need a new timing chain kit, but it's like $20. So anyways, yeah, I hate these bikes, but I love them. It's my second bike, my second Himalayan. My other one's outside, so I hate them. You should not buy one, but I do love them. Don't buy one. Have a good day.